Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. And I still give that other gentleman full credit, but I'm gonna add a little bit to it. I'm gonna add a shadow like this piece is actually coming off her face. Really should have done in the first video, but we take just the shadow tool, make sure you have it on the outside drop shadow, and just go like that a little bit. Move this over here, you know, then you could expand your shadow a little bit. You could actually play around with it, have it just a little bit of a shadow, maybe even not quite that much. Then that looks pretty good. And then just grab the whole thing and move it back. Now, to me, that piece looks like it's off of her face a little bit with a shadow, and everything else is still the same. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.